Guys, welcome to Air Tech YouTube channel. Today I'm going to tell you that how to download full 4K video without copyright for your YouTube channel, and these videos can help you to making some videos for your YouTube channel. You can get also here 4K images and 4K free videos. Fixe pixabay.com pixabay.com. Here you can get free videos. Here search images vector. Here you can search also if you want to search. If you directly need video, click here and click video. Now search, for example, football matches or football videos. You can search here. Now check it here. 4K videos are here, totally 100% free. HD and 4K video, 20 second, 30 second, 44 second. You can see there 4K 44 second. Click here. After clicking here, you can get it here free download. Now you have to click here free download. Download it. You can get these size. You want to download it from 4K, ultra 4K, you can also download it. Let's try it. 53 MB, and these are some other all qualities are mentioned here. So click here to download. Now you can see it. Download will be started download. And thank you for watching. I hope this video will help you to get 4K video for your YouTube channel, and please subscribe this channel and click bell icon button to get latest update regarding any tech program.